Yo guys, are you ready to enter in day 14 of pronunciation series? Yes, here we have tricky consonant sounds of TH, which sounds th and the, right? So let's learn. I'm super excited to teach you that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now. Alright, so that you will not miss any of my important content that I'm posting only for you to accelerate in your careers, guys. Alright, I hope you got that and you did. Super awesome. Let's learn. Let me present my screen. Here we go. Today we are into day 14 of tricky consonant sounds, which says th and the, right? These are the symbols of those letters. The th sound is voiceless, which means your vocal cords do not vibrate, okay, when you say it. Let's see how to make the sound. Place your tip of the tongue lightly between your teeth. Blow air without using your voice. Alright, I hope you got that. Try doing this and repeat after me, guys, these words. Think. Now you know how to place your tongue. Okay, so make sure you do that and then sound. Pronunciation will come perfectly when you do that. Yeah. Think. One. Think. 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 Yeah, let's see another one. Thumb. 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 Make sure you don't pronounce B because it's silent. It's sleeping sound in this word. Alright? So it's thumb. So the sound is voiced, which means your vocal cords vibrate when you say it, guys. Make sure. Let's see how we make the sound. By placing your tip of your tongue lightly between your teeth, but this time turn on your voice while you blow air out. All right, so let's see this, how this robo is showing. So cute, right? This this and this. Repeat after me the words, guys. Okay, so this is your practice. Next word, let's go to the next word. That. Right? So examples, listen to the difference between th and the, guys. Okay? Repeat after me. Think this. Think this. Think this. Second word is three. These. Three. These. The third word is bath and bathe. Bath and bathe. Bath and bathe. So let's see how it comes when it let's see how we have to say when it comes in a sentence. Repeat after me, guys. Don't forget this. I think this is smooth. So we are pronouncing the when it comes to think, and the when it's in a thing, this, and the when it's in smooth. Right? I think this is smooth. I think this is smooth. I think this is smooth. Alright, so let's learn another sentence. In this sentence, we have three brothers, right? The three brothers come every Thursday. The three brothers come every Thursday. So we are pronouncing the The in the, the, three, the in three, and brothers, the here in brothers, come every, and then Thursday, we pronounce th sound here. So I hope you got that. Let's move to the next sentence. In this sentence, we have they thought it was their thing. They thought it was their thing. So, what's there in this word called they? It's the sound, right? And then thought, it's a thaw sound. It was their, it's a the sound. And then thing, it's a th sound. They thought it was they thing. Alright, so that's all for the day, guys. I hope you like it, and I believe that you repeated each and every word and statements, the sentences, I mean, after me. If not, please please record your voice note after this, after watching to this, okay? So that it will be a great practice for you if you record your voice note. So do this practice every day whenever you are learning pronunciation series, guys, so that only you will see the difference in your intonation, your voice. Your voice should turn to melodious, right? So if you want your voice to be melodious, what you got to do? You have to help yourself to record your voice note and see how it is improving every day. And let me know in the comments how you are improving your journey in this pronunciation series. I would love to listen to your comments, guys. All right? And don't forget to share this, like with your friends. Don't forget to share it with your friends and like this video if you like it. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget it. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy learning, guys. Bye-bye.